Did you know that every night while you sleep, your muscles are silently slipping away? It's not just aging, it's because you're missing one critical thing before bed: the right vitamins. After 60, you lose up to 3% of your strength every year, leaving your knees creaking, steps heavy, and fall risks soaring. Over 93% of seniors in America don't realize they're lacking essential vitamins, and one day they could lose the freedom to move on their own. But imagine at 70, you're still striding confidently, climbing stairs with ease, and playing with your grandkids full of energy. That's not a dream, it's achievable starting tonight with the right vitamins. Welcome to the Life After 60, today where we share practical science-backed secrets to help you live healthier, younger, and fuller in your golden years. I'm Bon, your heartfelt companion, always here to guide you with the best tips to make every day after 60 count. Today, we're diving into a gripping story about the 7 most powerful vitamins seniors must take before bed to halt muscle loss, boost strength, and stay independent. This isn't a dry list. Each vitamin is a chapter in a journey to reclaim your vitality, told through real people's stories. Stick with us to the end because the #1 vitamin, if missing, can double overnight muscle loss. No typo. Before we start, let's connect. Drop a comment below. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Sunny Florida, bustling Chicago, or rainy Seattle? Do you take any vitamins before bed? Share your story. I'm reading and responding to every comment, ready to uncover the vitamin secret and live younger than ever. Hit that like button, subscribe to The Life After 60 today, and let's open the medicine cabinet right now. It's late evening. The soft glow of your kitchen light sets a calming mood, and you're getting ready for bed. But one small step could change how you wake up tomorrow morning. Those tiny vitamin pills aren't just supplements. They're the key to unlocking strength, mobility, and independence. But before you place that first pill on your tongue, meet Nancy and Robert, 2 seniors from America who turned vitamins into a new lease on life. 3 years ago, Nancy, 68, from San Diego, California, felt her body slipping away. Aching knees made stairs a struggle, her legs trembled after standing too long, and frequent falls worried her family. "I thought it was just the price of aging," Nancy shares, her voice breaking. She ate healthily but skipped bedtime vitamins, believing they weren't crucial. Everything changed when she learned her muscles were vanishing nightly due to missing the right vitamins. With small changes, Nancy now not only walks but dances at community classes, her legs steady and smile radiant. "I'm not just living longer, I'm living stronger," she says, eyes sparkling. Robert, 71, from Chicago, Illinois, had a similar journey. Once proud of his vigor, he recently noticed his hands weakening, steps faltering, and fatigue hitting after just minutes of golf. "I thought I was taking care of myself," he recalls, "but I didn't know my muscles were fading every night." After adding the right bedtime vitamins, Robert feels reborn. He walks farther, golfs all morning, and tells vivid stories to his grandkids. Vitamins aren't just pills, they're life. He grins. Nancy and Robert's stories prove vitamins can be your greatest ally after 60, but only if you choose the right ones and take them at the right time. Today I'll guide you through the 7 most critical vitamins seniors must take before bed, from least to most important, to stop muscle loss, boost strength, and keep you independent. Each is a lesson a step forward, and I promise to tell it with heart and drama to keep you hooked. 7 most critical vitamins seniors must take before bed. Vitamin 1 magnesium glycinate form. Imagine lying in bed only to be jolted awake by leg cramps that won't let you sleep. That's your body crying out for magnesium. A 2023 study from the University of Palermo found seniors over 65 taking 250 milligrams of magnesium glycinate nightly for 3 months boosted morning muscle function by 34%, cut leg cramps by 50%, and slept better. Magnesium is the soothing balm for muscles, activating enzymes that keep cells hydrated and oxygenated, aiding nighttime repair. Nancy suffered nightly cramps that robbed her sleep. She started taking magnesium glycinate 30 minutes before bed with a glass of warm water. "My legs stopped aching and I sleep deeply now," she beams. Robert tried it too, noticing looser joints. "I wake up refreshed," he says. In America, over 60% of seniors lack magnesium-weakening muscles over time. Choose magnesium glycinate, avoid poorly absorbed oxide forms, and take it before bed. Magnesium is your foundation for nighttime strength. Vitamin 2, vitamin B12. methylcobalamin form. Now think about your legs. If they feel heavy, like trudging through wet cement, it could signal a B12 shortage. A Tufts University study found 39% of seniors with muscle weakness were B12 deficient. This vitamin is the electrical system of your muscles carrying brain signals to move, repair, and grow. After 60 stomach acid drops, making it hard to absorb B12 from meat or multivitamins. Robert noticed trembling hands and unsteady steps, chalking it up to age. He began placing a 1000 mcg methyl B12 tablet under his tongue nightly, letting it dissolve fully. I walk steadily now, and my hands don't shake, he shares. Nancy tried it, gaining quicker reflexes. I'm not scared of falling anymore, she smiles. A Journal of Neurology report showed methyl B12 improved nerve muscle coordination by 49% in 8 weeks. Take B12 before bed sublingual form to repair nerves during deep sleep. B12 is the current for your muscles. Vitamin 3, vitamin D3. Most think vitamin D3 is just for bones, but after 60, lacking it is a muscle disaster. A Journal of Clinical Endocrinology study showed seniors taking 2000 IU-D3 daily for 12 weeks boosted leg strength by 18%. D3 is a hormone activating muscle fiber genes, driving tissue repair and energy storage. Without D3, fast twitch fibers shut down, leaving you off balance, struggling with stairs, and prone to falls. Nancy's legs weakened, tiring quickly on walks. She started taking D3 with a spoonful of peanut butter after dinner. My legs are stronger, and I walk farther, she beams. Robert took D3 with avocado, improving balance. I'm not afraid of falling, he says. A Swiss study found low D3 doubled the risk of needing mobility aids. Take D3 before bed with fat to fuel protein synthesis overnight. D3 is sunlight for your muscles. Vitamin 4, vitamin E, D-alpha, tocopherol form. Think of muscles as a house without protective walls, they crumble. Vitamin E is the shield against nighttime oxidative stress when free radicals attack muscle cells. An American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found seniors with high E levels had 27% better physical performance, like grip strength and walking speed. E guards muscle membranes, preventing inflammatory damage during sleep repair. Nancy suffered muscle soreness after walks, thinking it was normal. She took 400 IU Natural E before bed on an empty stomach. Soreness eased, and walking's easier, she shares. Robert tried it, recovering faster. I golf without fatigue, he says. A University of Arkansas study showed E cut nighttime muscle damage markers. Choose Natural E, avoid synthetic forms, and take it an hour after dinner. E is armor for your muscles. Vitamin 5, vitamin B6, P5P form. If you eat plenty of protein but muscles stay weak, you might lack B6. A European Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found seniors with high B6 levels retained 22% more lean muscle over 3 years. B6 is the key activating amino acid metabolism, turning protein into muscle tissue. Without B6, protein passes through unused, letting muscles shrink. Robert ate meat but felt muscles weaken. He took B6, P5, P60 minutes before bed with water. My muscles feel firmer and mornings are strong, he boasts. Nancy tried it, recovering faster. I'm not tired after walks, she smiles. A Tufts study showed B6 slowed nighttime muscle protein breakdown by 18%. Take P5P Bix before bed, avoiding food for best absorption. B6 is the engine for your muscles. Vitamin 6, vitamin C buffered or liposomal form. Think vitamin C is just for colds. Big mistake, C is the glue for muscles, vital for collagen production to keep fibers firm. A British Journal of Nutrition study found seniors with high C intake had a 67% lower muscle loss risk. Low C cuts collagen synthesis by 25% in 2 weeks, making muscles tear prone and slow to heal, per Oregon State University. Nancy had joint pain and weak muscles despite eating veggies. She took 1 gram buffered C before bed on an empty stomach. My joints feel lighter and muscles are stronger, she shares. Robert added liposomal C, noticing less soreness. I walk pain-free, he says. Take C before bed, buffered or liposomal to repair muscles during deep sleep. C is the glue for your muscles. Vitamin 7, vitamin K2, MK7 form. The most critical vitamin is K2. Yet 99% of seniors don't know it exists. A nutrient study showed seniors taking K2 for 12 weeks boosted muscle performance by 55% through better cellular energy. K2 guides calcium to muscles and bones, not arteries, preventing doubled muscle breakdown if deficient per Maastricht University. Nancy's legs weakened, risking falls. She took K2 MK7 with a teaspoon of coconut oil before bed. My legs are steady and I'm not scared of falling, she smiles. Robert tried it, gaining strength. I golf all day, he boasts. Take K2 MK7 with fat before bed to rebuild muscles and bones overnight. K2 is the foundation for your strength. Our journey through the vitamin secret has ended, but your health story is just beginning. From magnesium soothing muscles to K2 placing calcium right, each pill is a chance to love your body more. Nancy and Robert's stories remind us that 60 isn't the end. It's the start of a vibrant, independent life. What's today's biggest lesson? It's that power lies in your medicine cabinet in small nightly choices. You don't need miracles, just the right vitamins taken at the right time and faith in your body. Start tonight. Pick one vitamin from this list, magnesium, B12, or K2, and feel your body respond with new vitality. Thank you for sharing this precious time with the Life After 60 today. Your presence fuels our mission to bring you tips for a healthier, happier life. Drop a comment below. Which vitamin will you try first, magnesium, B12, or K2? Where are you watching from, San Diego, Chicago, or somewhere across America? Hit that like button if this inspired you, and subscribe to the Life After 60 today for more secrets to thriving after 60. Share this video with a friend or loved one to build a healthier life together. And as always, I'm Bon, your heartfelt companion, here to remind you, Life After 60 isn't a pause. It's a launch pad for your brightest days. Let each vitamin be a promise of health and youth. See you in the next video and live every moment to the fullest.